hair density plays a part when it comes to sizing your thread. If the client has high density hair, you're not gonna go in and make all these little teeny tiny Twitter bug size locks, because when those locks start to form, they're gonna look like a mop. They're gonna have a massive amount of microlocs. Now, if that's what they want, that's fine.
It's gonna take you forever to retighten.
It could take you forever to retighten and maintain their locks, but at the same time, it could be unhealthy for their locks, where as their locks start to mature, they start to pop off because they're just too heavy for such a tiny base.
Yeah, I've seen them really small before.
Okay, so keep that in